And to everyone on this call, you are fortunate to be in this space. We just finished a meeting on Twitter this evening by 8 p.m. And I told everyone there, I said, I went to the market yesterday and I woke up this morning. I was showing my daughter Daisy the stuff I bought. I bought 7 tubers of yam for over 50,000. And then there's this basket of tomato that I bought my mother. I lost burial December for 12,000. I bought it yesterday for 65,000. December 9th was the burial. That's just a few months ago. And it is 65,000. I was looking at the things and I was crying. Not because I cannot afford it. No, I can very well afford it. My earnings a day will just take off all that. But because of the fact that there are a lot of persons in this country right now. Should I say 80% of Nigerians can barely afford 3 square meals. If you can afford to eat 3 good food a day, I want to ask you who you use. Then you are a rich person going by the standard in this economy right now. People struggle to even get 1 good meal a day. That is how far the economy is dealing with us. Now, how are you planning to mitigate against this hardship that is coming? We still have like 7 years ahead. We don't know what God will give to us after that. What is your escape plan? You must have a plan. At this level, if you cannot use your tongue to count your teeth and know that there is trouble ahead, then I don't know what to say to you. Not just for yourself, for your children, for your family. It is time to sit down and go back to the drawing board. The government is not coming to your help. Like what Coach Salisu told you, it's not coming to your help. I cannot come to your help. The only thing I can do is what I am doing right now. I cannot take off your bills. No leader can do that because we have our own responsibility. Your family cannot do it for you. It is you that will do it for yourself and your family and your loved ones. I was talking with somebody yesterday. I was encouraging the guy and I told him, you want to give up on RoyalQ because you have deep. I'm sorry for you, sir. I didn't know when I said those words because, this is the escape that you name. Because you have a floating loss of 10%, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. You want to give up on a business that you know that no matter how bad it is, you're not going to lose money. I have been on a particular trade called Rose, floating loss for over 3 months or more than that. Yesterday, the thing just pumped. All coins have their time, their season. But the reason why we ask you to always attend Zoom meeting so that you get knowledge. If you don't get knowledge, you will not be able to handle your business. This crypto via RoyalQ business is a peculiar type of business with a peculiar model. You need to be able to understand the model for you to survive and thrive well in it, okay? Nobody told you that the floating loss will not come. Oh, it will come. The dip will come. It must come. Like I tell everybody, MUST, it must come. But the knowledge you have will help you to mitigate against this volatility that must come. You have a wonderful bot that will do so much for you, that will help you to not just come out of this frail and failing economy, but it will help you achieve your dreams. Even the Bible says, my people perish for lack of knowledge. Knowledge is what you need. Knowledge and capital. The bot is there for you. It's not going anywhere. The crypto market is not going anywhere. Wealth or money has moved from our normal business that we do, your clothes you sell, your boutique, your cement store, building materials. It has moved into the internet right now. That is where wealth money is. It is left for you to upgrade yourself, your mindset, your mentality, and see what you can obtain, see what you can achieve with this wonderful technology until you are at the forefront of any technology, you will be wailing, you will not benefit from it. This economy that everybody is crying about, or lots of persons are crying about, even me, I'm making money, but I'm crying also because it's crazy when you make money and you're spending it expensively. Okay. So this economy that everybody is crying about, people still survive it, right? People still make money from it. People still live good lives from this economy. So you sit down and think about yourself, about your life. Did you commit any crime? Why can't you break the yoke for yourself and your family and make this money? I'm telling you, if you're on this call, if you are, I'm not boasting, write it down, but terms and conditions. If you're on this call and you follow what we teach you, at times it's good to be stupid. Just follow the templates that you're giving stupidly, foolishly. There's what we call follow your leader. Follow it. And the time duration I give to you, if you follow everything we tell you, is 5 years. As at last year, I could say till mid next year, but I can't say that anymore because we are already, going into the bull season. So between now and the next 12 months, it's no longer a long term, it's mid term already, right? But now to the next 12 months of the bull year, it's mid term. And so I want you to have a long term mindset. I have two friends, Ibok and Doshi, you know them, Queen Ibok, Queen Doshi. We talk always. You know why I love these ladies? Anytime we talk about, it's not that we have fun, God, the kind of fun we do have. But when we talk, most times we talk about wealth, we talk about success, we talk about the next way to go. Some days ago, I called them and I said, we need to have a strategy. We need to have a plan for this borrow. Yes, it may be your head, how you want it to go, the kind of money you want to make, but you need to put it down on paper with biro. You must have a working plan. And that is what will guide you. There must be a strategy. You have to be intentional about your success, about being financially independent, about being successful. You must be intentional about it. It is your duty. It is your responsibility. We can only guide you. We can only show you what to do, but you have to be responsible for your actions. You must take those actions. You must take it. If you, a lot of persons, they still have this Ponzi mindset. They want hit and run. They want to just, make money, and in the next 1 month, they've done 100%, 200%, made a lot of money. Guy, let me tell you, you're a thief. And it takes a thief, a bigger thief, it takes a thief to lose to a thief. So you can't have this mindset and think there's nobody out there that also has that kind of mindset. They will use you as escape. Somebody came to me this morning. I wanted to buy USDT. I was telling me he wants to buy for wants $10,000. He wants to buy for 1,450. And I looked at him and said, "Did you even check the price of exchange?" Somebody like you will lose money to scammers because somebody will just come and tell you they have USDT at 1,400. You will transfer money and Otilo, it will go because you are a thief. Because you know that that is not the rate, but you want to cheat somebody. That is why you are open to being scammed. So you must know that to be creating wealth or be wealthy is not something you just wake up, you do overnight. I have worked for the government for years. I am at the peak of my career. I'm a level 16, you know, I'm a chief in my profession. And yeah, by Nigeria standard, you could say that I am well paid because it's health, Ministry of Health. But do you know that my salary a month cannot take care of one of my child accommodation in Canada a month? My daughter's accommodation is $1,020 a month. My son is the same thing. And then they have other expenses, their phone bill and all that. So do you think because I have risen to some people, they will be at this level, they'll be happy and all that and all that. And I'm like, what are you celebrating? Convert that earnings to dollars. You will know that you are in a fifth world country, not even third world. So I'm saying that you need to wake up and Look beyond your present situation and work towards it. Yeah, we have the bull run that's going to happen that will shock you. Let's forget about the dip. That's the way it normally happens. As a matter of fact, last bull run, trades went up to -80. Yeah, immediately before the bull run. So it's normal. There's nothing you're seeing here that is not normal. But it's all shy split. Don't even bother yourself about it. If you still bother about it after this voice note, I don't know who do you. I am also in deep, okay? So let's use this year to next year as our springboard to make so much money with the RoyalQ, and after that, you have enough money now to prepare for the next bull run. And you can be a millionaire in dollars. I am not hyping it. I'm not saying it so that you'll be interested. I am telling you what I know that is obtainable. You can do it. All you need to do is to hold to the legs of your leader, your upline, your mentor, and the leaders you see, around you, and just follow. Do what you're told. I believe so much in RoyalQ. I'm not doing any other business apart from RoyalQ. I have a private clinic. I can tell you that I have not entered my clinic since last year. I have a doctor there, handling the place. Because of RoyalQ, you call me midnight anytime. I'm always ready to answer, to RoyalQ, because I make times 10 of my salary minimum. That is when there is dip. When there is dip, I make at least times 10 of my salary a month in RoyalQ. This month of May that just passed, I made over 6 million naira. Okay, 1 second, let me take water. I told you I have cough. Just 1 second, please. Sorry about that. So I made over 6 million this last month of May. And me and you know that almost all trade, they are floating loss. So those that are even doing new trades now, they are few. So even with the way the market is down, I made over 6 million. The month of April before May, I also made almost 7 million, even with the dip. The month of March, Buron has not started. I made about 23 million in 1 month. My work cannot give me this kind of money. It is in RoyalQ that I can get it. And who told you that because I am getting it, you cannot get it? I don't understand. Where did you get that from? I don't have two heads. I have one head just like you. The difference between me and you is that I held onto RoyalQ and I made it my life. Let me use that word, that phrase or figure of speech. Like, I am so determined. I don't want to look at any other thing. You come to preach anything to me, I block you, block your generation out of my picture. You can't even do that. So that is me. So you can also do that yourself because you have leaders that are here to hold you, to hold your hands, to guide you if you are patient enough. The other day at one of these groups, was it this morning or yesterday, I saw Coach Namdi posted something when somebody was talking about floating loss, and he told the person that, do you know if you want to put your money in treasury bills, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, you will not even see your capital, not talk of profit, see the end of the duration. Come on, so why are you panicking? This one, you did not even put it in treasury bills that is not, you are not in control. The government or bank is in control. Your money is with you, you are seeing it, and you're panicking. Why would you want to do that? Use the opportunity whenever there is dip. Use that time to go out and preach about RoyalQ. The beauty about it is that our earnings, like all those trade that have sold and all that, you have your revenue. Use those things to promote your business. When the market is down, go full-fledged into your affiliate structure and build. It is not compulsory that you must build, but if you can't decide to build, you would have settled your life. I was invited to a Zoom meeting some time ago. The lady Ushua, she was saying in the Zoom meeting that, Dr. Money, I'm always seeing your status. You're always promoting RoyalQ. You are a VC. Why are you promoting RoyalQ? I asked her, do I have 3 VCs under me yet? Otedola is still working till tomorrow. Bigate is still working. Are you kidding me? I have not started. It is even sweeter when you start promoting at the top. Anybody has signed up, I guess $70 right now. You think I'll stop me? God forbid, I will not stop. I will even promote more than you. So it is left for you to choose your why. I don't know, like if you're running in a bush, if a lion is pursuing you and a dog is pursuing you, or maybe a cat is pursuing you, we cannot run the same way. Me, lion is pursuing me because I have a target. I want to enjoy the good things of life. I want to drive good Yoruba car. I want to be able to go to Bahamas and just do my birthday and sleep in the hotel for 1 month, all expenses paid by RoyalQ. I don't know what you want. Some people, they hate wealth. Some people, they say love of money is the root of all evil. But let me tell you, poverty will not still make you enter heaven. Money is meant to be used here on earth. Use it, because you don't even know where you end at the end of the day. Whether heaven or hellfire or whatever religion you are, I don't want to know. I don't want to talk about religion, but it has nothing to do with wealth. Okay, the Bible says that God wishes that we'll be in good health, that we prosper first, that we prosper. Prosper is number one. We prosper and then we be in good health. So it is the wish of God for us to enjoy earth here, because the wealth He has given to us can only be used on earth here, not when we die. So enjoy your life. Don't listen to anybody telling you that for you to make money and drive good cars and be comfortable, you are committing a sin or you are wayward. Please, I like that kind of waywardness. I don't know about you. As long as it's a legit money, okay? I just want to encourage you guys. We really don't have too much time anymore, not on this Zoom, between now and the next 12 to 14 months. Honestly, you will cry if you don't take advantage of what we are telling you. Remember that we have different type of trade. We have long-term trade, we have short-term, that's swing trade, and then we have day trade. RoyalQ takes care of the day trade. You cannot even miss the two. You cannot use the money you use for long-term to do short-term, and you cannot use short-term to do long-term. Do you know why? At this point in time, you must put aside the one you want to do long-term for the bull run. That is a word that comes up every 4 years that you must take advantage of, okay? And then for the short term, you cannot say you want to remove your money from RoyalQ and go and put a long term. Do you know why? You will pay school fees. You will pay house rent if you don't have your own house. You will pay NEPA bill. You will send money to your parents. You will feed at home. Do you get? So RoyalQ will give you the money, the funds for those day-to-day expenses of your life. So you must intentionally have a strategy, a plan, separate these two, and then you will see that you will be smiling at the end of the day. Because if you don't do that, you may be forced to go and, tamper with what you have kept for the long term, and then you will now miss out. So please, don't play with your RoyalQ funds, your RoyalQ business. Once we start going into the bull season, you will understand what we are talking about, because the market just keeps going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And you will see that if you can compound this money and you are trading it, there are different ways you can hit that $1 million. You can hit it with the company using the bots as you go into the bull run. And then you can also make some with your long term. So I advise you that you make provision for both and then be patient. You cannot be wailing like a child. I mean, I don't believe that anybody on this call or in RoyalQ is below 18. So you must take responsibility and understand that this is a business that will change your life if you can give your all to it. Remember what I say always, the ground is crowded. Let us fly at the top.